What's up? Welcome back. In this quick tutorial I want to show you where you can find the htaccess file in SiteGround and how you can change it if you want to. So first you have to go to your SiteGround dashboard and then go to the site tools panel of the website that you want to go to the htaccess file for. So in this case I have already been logged in into the site tools panel of the website learninglab.com website. So make sure to go to the site tools panel and there you will find these options. So what you need to do is you have to go to the first option, to Site, click on it with your left mouse button, and then on top you will see the File Manager option. So click on File Manager. Now you can see an overview of all the folders and all the files that your website has. So where you can find the htaccess file is go to the website learninglab.com folder, or in your case it's of course another URL. So go to the website folder, then go to the public HTML folder, expand the folder by clicking on this arrow over here. So click on it. Now you can see all the folders and all the files inside the public HTML folder. And as you can see over here you have the htaccess file. So if you want to change it, you can click on it, or you can double tap on it to see the file. You can, of course, you can add some things or change some things if you want to. So after you have done that, then you can click on this save option to save all the settings, and then it will be applied immediately. So here you can find the htaccess file. So now you know how to do it. Make sure to smash the thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded. And with that being said, I'll see you back again in the next video.